Here I am, Hawk Mountain. Where do you think I should go? I don't know. Definitely gonna go look at the River Rocks. Gotta look at them. Definitely gotta go there. Yeah. Yep. So we are right here. The River Rocks are way over here. So I guess I'll just go to the South Lookout and go from there. All right, here we go. Another Saturday walk in nature. Yeah. There's a native habitat garden. Maybe I'll go in there when I come back. Yeah. Wonder if I'll see any deer today. Don't know. Yeah. So yeah, here we are at Hawk Mountain Sanctuary. It's founded in 1934 by Rosalie Edge. It's the world's first refuge for birds of prey. Yeah. And right over there. No, I moved my camera a little bit. Anyway. Yeah. So, remember, look both ways before crossing the street. Okie dokie. Here we go. Yeah. They have handicap accessible areas. They also have very difficult trails, moderate trails. Yeah. Huh. Let's see, oh, there's bathrooms out here too. That's nice. Here we are at the South Overlook. That is an amazing view. Yeah. A lot of rocks. A whole lot of rocks. Yeah. If I can't zoom in on the thingy. Yeah, down there are the river of rocks. Yeah. But I mean, look at that view. Just look at that. It's amazing. Amazing. Wonderful. Awesome. I just saw a chipmunk. By the time I got my camera up, it was gone. Windy day. There was a chipmunk right over there. I tried to take a picture, but it blurred. Oh well. Oh, wait. Ah, dang it. A lot of teeny little animals up here. Haven't seen any bigger ones. Hoping for a glimpse of a deer or something. What do you think? Should I climb up? Yeah. Maybe if I would actually brought somebody with, I might climb up there. But not today. Yeah. Kind of rough terrain around here. Hard to find a path. Yep. I'm on my way to the North Lookout. Ooh. It's a cool little area. I'm tired. Oh yeah. As a kid when I did this last time. As a small child. Now I'm a small adult. Yeah. Almost at the lookout, I hope. Yay, I made it to the North Lookout. Almost. There's a sign here. So I gotta follow the path. Be careful. Yeah. That's way over here. Yeah, I think this view's gonna be better. I think. I got a feeling this view's gonna be much better. Hey, they got railings for us old people. Maybe I should invest in some of them walking, hiking sticks. There were a couple that passed me a little bit ago. They had them. Yeah, maybe I should get some too. I'm going to be doing this a lot. You know what I mean? North Lookout. Let's look at that view. That is one amazing view. Oh yeah. Well, will you look at that? Just look at that. Well, will you look at that? Look at that. Oh, this is well worth it. Life is good. You know, I really don't think these steps are the code. You know what I mean? I don't think they're... Yeah. There's a chipmunk over there. When I zoom in... Maybe I can cat it. I don't know. Oh, see it? See, it's focusing on what's in front of it, not the movement behind it. Saw at least a dozen or a little more than a dozen chipmunks everywhere. They're all over the place. Little chippy monks. Oh, come on, don't be zooming in on that. There's something kind of weird. I wonder what it was. There's a bunch of people on the trail today. One thing that sucks is no puppy dogs, because no pets are allowed. Now, service animals, obviously, because, you know, that's the law. But, you know, no pets. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, this is a fun little hike. Oh yeah, very fun. It's been a fun day. But I think I'm gonna go back to the visitor center. Get a hat, maybe a sweater. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna go down the River of Rocks, but I'm getting hungry, and my knee is bothering me. So, yeah. Oh, today has been a wonderful day. Yeah. It's awesome. Where's that button at?